Good morning everyone. I am Lakshman. I am here to speak on one of the best qualities and that is punctuality. Punctuality of being on time is the most important trait and first step towards success. It teaches us the value of time and gives us the right amount of stability and self-confidence that enables to lead a favorable life. As a student, punctuality helps us complete our homework on time and to do well in our studies. When we complete our work on time, we have plenty of spare time to pursue our hobbies. Dear friends, we should know the true value of time and value every moment of life. The person who is punctual always get love and respect from family and in society. So let us know the true value of time, catch it or snatch it, and enjoy every moment of life. Do not delay your work for tomorrow. What you can do today. Thanks.